Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily back up your chats on WhatsApp. So the reason you might want to be doing this is if you actually back up your chats, if you lose your phone or switch to a new one, your chat history is safe. From there you can then restore your chat history and media when you reinstall WhatsApp on your new phone. So this can be really useful if you've got important messages that you can't lose and you just want to be able to back them up automatically and have them ready to be restored whenever you might need them. So the way to actually do this is go to settings, which is in the bottom right corner. From there, you just want to look for chats, which is under privacy. And then third option down, chat backup. So as you can see, my last backup was on Thursday at 8 AM because I have my auto backup set to weekly here. Now, if you use WhatsApp quite a lot and are very active on it, you might want to set this to daily so that it backs up every single day and you have no chance of losing your data. You can also choose to back up now if it hasn't ever been backed up, and then you can make sure all your stuff that's currently on your phone is safe. And you can also choose whether you want to include videos when you back it up, which is also very useful if you've got some family videos or stuff like that which you really don't want to lose. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please comment down below that it worked and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.